Super excited lahat ng fans, mga fans ni Sarah Geronimo at ang 18. Excited na sa song collaboration launching ng SB19 at Sarah G. Talaga namang ito nga, pinost at binandera ng Philippine Star sa Facebook ang kanilang soon na launching ng song collaboration na Umaaligid. Of course, featuring SB19 at Sarah Geronimo. Malapit na, this month na yan, July 30, ang official launching ng song collaboration ng SB19 at ni Miss Sarah G. Kaya naman, abang natin dyan sa ASAP at sa ibang social media platform.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm